Begin with a few deep breaths in through the nose, out to the mouth to relax the body and mind. Inhale, head back, elbows back. Exhale, head forward, elbows forward. As you inhale, head back, arch the spine, chest comes forward. As you exhale through the nose, elbows forward, chin towards the chest, spine moves back. You can increase the intensity as you wish, remembering to do this practice slowly in the beginning, and taking your time to increase the intensity. You may do 10 to 30 breaths. For the last few breaths, slowing down once again, taking your time, filling the lungs as you inhale, emptying the lungs with each exhalation. At the end of the practice, take a deep, relaxing breath and turn the eyes up to the third eye in Shambavi Mudra, sending all of the energy into the third eye.